Hello to this new video. In this video I will show you how you use the GGUF Flux model version, which is optimized for small GPUs with 8 GB of VRam or 12 GB of VRAM. While testing, I saw the memory usage sometimes went over 8 GB. Usually you should be good to go with 8 GB of GPU RAM. Be aware that you don't use so many other softwares beside your ComfyUI browser, which are also using the GPU RAM, and you should be good to go. What you need to use this GGUF model version of the Flux model is you need the special ComfyUI add-on with a special unit loader. It's called ComfyUI GGUF. Simply as that. You have to download it at GitHub, and you need some special model versions of the Flux model. In this example, I'm using Flux 1 dev Q2 underscore K GGUF, and this is the smallest file size version. I'm just downloading bigger ones and also the biggest one to compare it with this one. With this model, I experienced I needed a lot of steps in the K sampler. So this image, for example, is done with 200 steps and the CFG of 1. I'm quite sure that the bigger model versions don't need as many steps. I will try this out as soon as they are downloaded. There are so much downloads with new models, the new Flux, every day a new model, and so much data and so much hard disk space. It's really crazy. Since it's a quite simple workflow, let's start from scratch. So we start with a normal case sampler. We use the clip text encode for Flux. One for the positive and one for the negative. We use a simple empty latent image. With 1024 to 1024. Then we need to decode. We need to load the special Flux VAE model. I will link this in the description below, as well as custom nodes you need. We need to save the image. And then we need to load the special GGUF model with the unit loader GGUF. Choose your model. The model has to be placed in the model unit folder. I will put all the folder paths and links to those models in the description below. I will generate a statue of Liberty. I just did that in the last video as well. So then, yeah, as said, I push up the steps to 200 and lower the CFG to 1. The rest keeps like that. And now I start to generate. Keep an eye on this memory usage down here. It should not go over the 8 GB. So, oh, we missed the clip text encode for sure. We use a dual clip loader. There is a special GGUF dual clip loader with special models, but this is, as far as I know, not available for Flux so far. So we use a normal dual clip loader with the FP16 and the clip L as models, and we specify Flux here. Connect this to the negative as well, and now we should be good to go. So let's generate something. So down here you can see it's using more than 12 GB right now. I think this happens because I'm using the screen recording software right now, which also uses some GPU RAM, because before I started the video, I tried this workflow and it only used around 8 GB of VRAM. What you can see is that it is using much less VRAM than the normal Flux model version. If you have 12 or 8 GB of VRAM, give this a go. You should be able to use normal LoRa's with the standard LoRa modules of ComfyUI. I'm not sure what else is working if the control nets are working. I think it could work. What is not working is the IP adapter. I just checked this and this is not working so far. This might be supported in the future. Here we go, the Statue of Liberty. Okay, so now let's try two of the other model versions. As said, this Flux Dev Q2 is the version with the smallest file size. And now I will try the biggest version and one in between, and what influence it will have on the generation and on the K-sampler settings. I'm now trying Flux Dev F16 GGUF model. You can put the steps to 35 or something. CFG stays at 1, and let's try. So this model gives me memory allocation. I don't know why. So let's try the Q4 version. Let's watch the VRAM usage, the memory usage. And there we go. I couldn't find information on memory usage of the different models, but it seems that the Q4_0 version is the one you should take. It is quite fast. It has low memory usage. It should work. It don't need so many steps. Low CFG. So give this a try. Maybe if someone tries the other models, maybe write into the comments below which of the models you prefer, which is working for you the best. So far from all the models from the special repository I tried, the Flux Dev Q4_0 GGUF is the one which gives me the best mix of features. So give it a try. It should run with 8 GB, also on 12 GB and above. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.